In this video, Maddie will show us how to take any photo and make it into your very own button. Be sure to use a photo printed out on printer paper, and do not use thicker materials like photographs, which will get stuck in the machine. We'll begin by properly formatting your photo. Square photos work best, so try to have it fit within a 6.35 cm by 6.35 cm box before printing it. Feed your photo into our cutting tool and center it over what you want to have as your button. Push the lever all the way down, and reach underneath to pop out your image. Now gather your materials, the metal button front, your cutout image, the plastic covering, and the metal backing. The button maker has a shallow side and a deeper side. We're going to start with the shallow side. Begin with the metal button front with the curve towards the ceiling. Now place your image on top with the bottom of the image facing the rest of the button maker. The plastic covering goes on top of that and within the grooves. Spin all of this around and pull the lever all the way down. It can be a little stubborn, so make sure you go the full distance. You'll know that you have if when you spin it around again, your materials have all been picked up. Now use the deeper side. Take the metal backing and place it in with the pin and hook side facing down. Line it up like you did with your image, with what will be the bottom of your button facing the rest of the button maker. Spin it around, and pull the lever once more. One final spin will reveal your completed button. That's all there is to using KFPL's button maker. See you in the Create space.